Okay, so this is going to be a giant version of weaving to show you what I'm talking about when we're talking about a twill. So if you imagine these being the warp ends, this is going to be the weft. Now for Harris Tweed we weave what is called 2 up, 2 down, and that means there are always 2 boards up and 2 boards down. In terms of a twill, that means that the warp will be going over these 2, under these 2, over these 2 and under these 2. Okay, that's all fine. The next one, however, we'll be doing the same thing but offset by 1 because of the way the boards move. So it will then go under this one here. This is probably going to be quite a slow, laborious thing. I wonder if I can do it like this. These are all frijakken. These are all bits of like yarn ropes that I use to tie up the tweeds when they're going up to the mill. So it's under this one, it goes over 2, so over that one, and then it needs to go under these 2 here. And I think actually the easiest way of doing this, ba-bam. So it goes under those 2, and then it goes over those 2 and under this one. Okay, and you'll start to see the whole kind of 2 up, 2 down idea. So the next one again is going to be offset by 1. So for this one we had over 2 here and then over 2 here, and the next one will be over 2 here. So it'll be under these 2. So do that, under those, and then it's going to be over these 2, under this one and under this one, and then over that one. And then the next one, again, offset by 1. So that's then going to be over this one and under that one. Okay, length for this. So over that one, under this one, and under this one. So we go under 2, and then over 2. So over this one and this one, under this one, and over that one. So as you start to look up, I realise this might be very messy, but if you start to look here, you've got over 1, you've got 2, well that's probably a rubbish one to do. So this one is over 2, there's 2 going over this one, and then 2 going under, then the next 2 go over it, and the next 2 go under. I'll carry on until I run out of these bits for the weft, just so that maybe you can start to see what I'm doing. Hopefully some of that makes sense. Like my greatest work of art. That is a giant version of a twill. Yeah. But maybe it will help to explain some of the weaving. Especially the fact that we have the 2 up, 2 down. And everything's offset, but you can also see, so there's 2 over there, and then there's 2 under that one. When you're going up a warp end, 2 over, 2 under, and then 1, 2, 2, 2, and so on. Yeah.